Lord, you are the healer of every wound, physical, emotional, and spiritual. When I am weak, you strengthen me. When I am weary, you comfort me. I rest in the promise that you will raise me up from affliction and restore me to wholeness. Let your healing virtue flow through every part of my being. Replace weakness with strength, pain with peace, and despair with hope. You are Jehovah Rapha, the God who heals, and I trust you with every heartbeat, every tear, and every tomorrow. Amen.